Hi, Mark here with an AMS Club tip. Today we're diving into Edit Filters, filtering your views quickly, part one. A quick trick to help you master Dynamics 365, one tip at a time. Okay, let's dive right in. So we have our All Opportunities view in front of us, very familiar with this by now. And we click onto Edit Filters on the right-hand side because we're going to start off with a simple AND condition. Okay, so you can see at the top we have Reset to Default, which is what you click if there's any other set filters on here in the first place. You can delete all filters, which gets you back to where we are now, where there's nothing else applied. And so what we can see, we've got this block here, which you can't change, which is starting out with an AND condition. But what we can do is we can start to add criteria into here now. So click onto the Add drop-down and Add row. And I want to filter on where the rating is hot and the probability is less than 70%. So I can type rating into here. I could have also clicked the drop down and scroll down to rating as well. I'm looking for equals hot, and then I'm going to add another row, which is where the probability is less than 70%. Okay, so those are my two conditions. I can see they're grouped with an and. We're not going to look at ors today. That will be in the next video. And if I click on to apply down at the bottom, and I can see I've got 51 rows returned where we have a hot rating, but a probability less than 70%. So I want to now discuss these with my sales team to see why they're hot, but they're not a highest percentage than 70% or more. So a nice quick starter for us. There's additional videos to follow on after this, but that's a great way where you can use edit filters to build some more complex criteria within Dynamics. It goes beyond just using your column headers, where yes, you can build extra filters in there, but it's much easier to see and work with the filters in the edit filters pane and see how you can build those up and build some more complex criteria within there. So I hope you found that useful. If you like to share and subscribe for more video tips, then remember all my systems is here to help you get the most from Dynamics 365.